Hi guys, in today's video I'll tell you how you can get unbanned in any group on Telegram. For example, administration of a group you joined decided to ban you, and today I'll show you how you can remove it. Let's open Telegram. And here we have a group. I'm not an owner of this group. And administration decided to ban me. And here you can read, sorry you can't get access to the chat because you will be banned by an unbanned. So let's click on OK. Let me also show you the invite link to this group. And if I try to follow it, we'll just see that this group doesn't exist, because we are banned. So let me show what you can do. Anyway, remember that there is no easy ways to get back to this group. One of the ways is to delete your current account and create a new one. Then you'll be able to join this group again. So just follow the link which is in the description of this video. Here you need to type your phone number. That's it, then click on Next. And in your Telegram you'll get a message. You need to copy this code. Then get back to mytelegram.org and paste it. After it, click on Sign In, and here you can type why you're leaving or just skip it. Then it asks you a confirmation, you click on Yes, so our Telegram account is deleted. So what are we going to do now? We need to create this account again. So let's click on Add Account, just enter your phone number, and click on Yes. So now you'll have to wait a bit, Telegram will call you. When you entered your code, it's about time to enter the name. Well, that's our new Telegram account. Let's come up with some username so that people could contact us. Well, I'm gonna follow the link, that exact link to that group, where we were banned. And here it is, you just need to click on button Join, and you're a member of this group again. But still remember that this way is not suitable for everyone, because you'll lose all your data, all chats. So it depends on what matters for you more, your account or a particular group. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell to receive notifications.